please actually our residents huwag mo nang inom ng maraming alcohol, iwasan pagsigarilyo, tapos damihan yung pagkain ng vegetables as well as pagkakaroon ng physical activity. That will going to help a lot. Of course, the Department of Health has also instituted some other means to support yung sa kampanya na po yung advocacy na po na ito. In fact, if I could continue further, we have issued already the administrative order number 2021-0039. This is actually a national policy regarding the elimination of the use of trans fatty acids sa pagkain to prevent the non-communicable diseases. So, merong tatlong areas of how we're going to do this. One is regulating the pre-packaged na mga pagkain na merong gumagamit ng trans fatty acid, industrially produced. I'm talking of industrially produced trans fatty acid, as well as yung pag-enable naman ng mga manufacturers. Kasi we have manufacturers na gumagawa ng canned goods sa gumagamit ng trans fatty acid na pwede naman nating tulungan in how they could actually make use of other na mga oils naman na hindi siya deadly sa mga tao kumakainin. At pangatlo, as well yung increasing the this is where you come in. We have to increase the level of awareness sa ating mga komunidad, our local residents, regarding the use of industrially produced trans fatty acids, lalo na yung binibili nila sa ating mga groceries. So, pwede na maiwasan yan. And we have a policy already for that. And we're asking each one of you to help us do the campaign because that is one way to avoid hypertension.